What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing a video installing the dialed mounts Cobb access port mount version 2. It's supposed to be a form-fitted mount, and it's not supposed to have any bolts, which it does not. So I might have to figure out what these two do, but we're going to go put this in my car, so it should be a pretty simple video. So, cue to the car. Alright, so it's pretty simple. You come in, this is the passenger side, right next to all of the controls and everything. Make sure to use a pry tool, don't use a knife like I'm about to. I'm only doing it because I'm too lazy to go in and grab the proper tool. Now, you can do this, and then I believe you have to remove one screw, and then this panel will pop off. So we will do that in just a second. Alright, go ahead and pop this screw out. I believe this is how it's done. If not, you guys will watch. Take that out, put it on the ground. And then you can just let that hang. And then we're going to go ahead. We're going to pop this out. Just a little vent. This is how I currently have my Cobb hooked up. Just to, basically it's a phone mount setup. So, let's get your pick tool in here. That pops off just like that. Alright, go ahead and slide this piece in. And then you're going to route your wires up to the bottom of the dash. I will show you that. Okay, so your OBD2 port is right here. You can go up. You probably can see a little bit of light shining through. That's where you have to go. It's up to you on how you get there. I'm going to try and go the cleanest way possible, which I'm not sure what it is at the current second. So once you get here, obviously this isn't going to sit in here. I'm assuming that they sent you two different sizes. They sent you this size. Hold on, let me get it in focus. They sent you this size. And they also sent you this size. Sorry, I'm doing this from a funny angle. And one of them obviously grips your phone, or the cord, different than the other. So this one obviously appears to grip my phone, or grip my cord. Spin it around. Slide it in the notch. Make sure that both the prongs sitting in correctly. So make sure that is engaged properly. And just like that, you have a mount installed. And hold you guys up just a little bit. It's pretty sturdy in there. Then all you do, you should just slide this on. Maybe I rushed this. Pull that. I'm gonna plug it in, as you guys can see, outside of the mount. Again, not sure if that's the right way or not. There we go. Dialed mount V2 installed into a 2015 Subaru WRX. If you guys are interested in watching any more content, I have plenty more coming. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.